Hi, this is exercise 1.7M, the guide plate. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to check out the units, see where we're at because this is an M. So units, decimals, millimeters. So we're good there. So I'm going to make sure I'm on the right correct layer, visible. Use the polyline, use just the regular line. I'm going to start at 0, 0, 0. That's just where I'm starting. Again, you guys can start wherever. 48 is how high it is. 42 is the width. I'm going to 48. I'm going to close it. I'm going to make a perfect box. Now, the two corners up here, you'll see that they're angled. So we're going to use a command we haven't used much this semester. So we're going to use, if you go under fillet, we have chamfer. So if you I'm going to do this corner here. It tells us from here over to the top of this slant is 8. And from here down, with doing the math of this being 48 and to the bottom of this is 42, it is 6. So we know those distances. So we're going to say the first distance is 8. You can see this down here. And then it's asking you the second distance. We're going to put in 6. Okay? And when you use chamfer, I'm going up here because I want this to be 8 because that's the first distance we put in. So you hit here and here. See how it kind of goes down like that? Okay, then we're going to come over here. Again, we're going to use chamfer again. We're going to use distance. Again, we're using 8. And with the math there of 26 from 48, it is 22. So, oops, sorry. Let's start that over again. Distance is 8. Second distance is 22. So, since this is where we want the 8, we're going to click up there. And then down here is 22. Okay, now we're going to draw the rectangle. I'm going to use line again. Since I'm at 0, 0, I know where this point is. So, I know I need to go up 8. And I need to be 10 up and over 8. Okay, so I'm going to type in my points that I know that I have. So I'm going to put 8, 10. See, now we're right there. It tells us it's 26, 16, 26, and we're typing C for close. Okay, we have the object drawn now, so now we just need to annotate it. Okay, so we go to, we're going to get on our correct layer of dim. Go up to the annotate tab, dimension, so we got that. So we're going to check our dim style, modify. Okay, so the scale I use is 10 for this. The primary units, I just put 0. And the other thing I changed was symbols. No, where was it? Okay, I think that was it. Yes, that was it. Oh, no, right here under fit. I put always keep text between extension lines. What that does is it keeps the line, always keeps this text between these two extension lines here. Okay, so we're going to use linear. I'm just going to kind of work a way around, like kind of like how we drew it. Use linear, use continue. Keeps with that. Linear comes to here. Okay. Linear again. I want to do this up here. Okay. 8. And then I'm going to just do this. This. Now I'm going to move my cursor up so it goes this way instead of this way. I want it to go this way. And then we're going to kind of hit a O snap over here because then it lines up with that. And then we're going to get the overall dimension here. There we go. Kind of keep it clean and clear. There, 26. I'm going to use baseline. Gets my 48. There you go. And then down below here, use 8. Use my continuous and dimension that. Okay, that's everything dimensioned. Don't forget to put this on a title block put a scale to your viewport. Make sure your scale here will match what your viewport is, and don't forget your name and your title. This is exercise 1.7M, guide plate.